I borrowed my brother's trailer to go pick up my cousin's truck that he inherited from his grandpa. And it was a Nissan Frontier 2008, two-wheel drive, 4.0 liter V6. It wouldn't start, it just clicks when you turn the thing on. The battery, well, I had to replace my brother's tire because we had a mishaps on the way home, picked up a nail. Anyway, I took the throttle body and the engine cover off and made sure that I could turn the engine over. I polished his headlights here, but I made sure the engine turned over because the starter just would click. Even he just bought a new battery, but it went dead from him trying to start it so much. So I charged the battery up overnight, got back in there in the morning, and it still would just click, full battery. So I tested it on the bench here with my jump box, and it would just spark and click. So I took the starter in there, got him a new one. It was $149 plus core charge from AutoZone, part number 19411. That didn't do it, so I thought maybe it was a relay. I asked my dad for help here. My dad was trying to help. He was tightening battery connections. That didn't work either. But I tested the IPDM, and that wasn't it. That's the IPDM right there. It's the white box. They call it the white box of death. But it wasn't it. Here's the new starter that I got from AutoZone, and because it's still, after I put the new starter in, it still wouldn't do the same thing. It was just click. Just click, 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 click. That's with my jump box, so smoked the wires. So I took it up to AutoZone to have it tested, and they said, no, it's fine. So I thought I would take apart the little battery connector and clean that all up, and that didn't do anything either. Still click, click, click. So I found a video on YouTube from at the Nonnell, THENONNEL. No crank, no start is the name of the video. And it had you, he was explaining how you turn the key in the lock thing. So just go check him out. That worked. That's all it probably needed. I didn't even have to buy the starter.